Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change your ringtone in your iPhone 17. At first, open Settings, and now you have to scroll down to the Sounds and Haptics over here. Now we have to tap on ringtone here, and here we can change our ringtone. By tapping on each, we can hear it and select. For example, I like this one. We have to tap that, and now we just have to go back. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And that's it. I hope it helps you, and goodbye.